Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to make this winter scene tumbler using some rub-on transfers. Once again, please excuse my voice, I'm still sick, but we're going to jump right in using a 24-ounce plump from the Steel Magnolia and the Latte Colorfix paint from Colorflex. I've mentioned it many times before, but I absolutely love these paints. It is a paint, primer, and adhesive all in one. So it really is helpful, especially now with me being under the weather and not really wanting to go outside in the cold. I can stay inside in my craft room and get excellent coverage with these Colorfix paints. I'm going to give this tumbler 2 coats of paint and dry that up with my heat gun on the low heat setting. And then we're going to use about a milliliter of the ARTISTRY 1:1 ratio fast set epoxy for our glitter application. You can use the Colorfix paints for glitter application as well. Just when I'm using a chunkier glitter, I prefer using the epoxy method as it really grabs a hold of those chunky bits of glitter, and then you can lay them down flat by rolling it in a sheet of parchment paper or a piece of notebook paper. The glitter mix that we are using is Extravaganza from PDB Creative Studio. This is a gorgeous and underrated gold glitter. It has some opal flakes in there as well, so it's going to reflect the color that we have underneath, and I was really going for a vintage sort of vibe with this Christmas scene. Since I'm using the ARTISTRY 1:1 ratio fast set, I'm going to give this about 30 to 45 minutes to dry, and then I'm going to go in with my first coat of epoxy, allow that to dry completely, sand, and then go in with a second coat so I have a nice and smooth surface to apply my rub-on transfers to. The rub-on transfers is from my holiday or Christmas collection with Southern Belle glitter. I absolutely love their rub-on transfers and all the fulls that they have. I'm going to go ahead and trim around the ones that I'm using, and then we will start applying them to the tumbler. Once I feel I know where I want to place these on my tumbler, then I'm going to trim off a little slither of that backing so that I can use the hinge method to rub these down. All of the rub-on transfers come with like a extra large popsicle stick is what it looks like, but it's a wooden tool that is used to rub the transfers down. You're going to start where you press that down on the tumbler, and then work your way around as you are moving the backing off of that transfer. That way you can rub it down as you are moving the back, and it's not going to stick in any areas that you don't want it to. We're going to take some of these florals and place them around the little deer winter scene just to fill in some of those negative areas, and then we're going to go in with the snowflakes and do the same thing with them as well. Once you have all of your transfers on, you're going to want to give this a very light coat of a matte clear spray paint. And then once that is dry, you can go in with your final coats of epoxy. I hope that y'all enjoyed this really simple tumbler tutorial. These rub-on transfers make it so easy to make a beautiful design in just a quick few steps. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you're having trouble with rub-on transfers or you don't know how to use them and need a little more detail on how to apply them, check back on my tutorials. I do have a tutorial on how to apply the rub-on transfers to a project that you're working on. We are giving away one of these bundles in the Brittany Barnes Boutique Tumbler Art Facebook group, so definitely head over there and join so you can check that out. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell in the corner to be notified anytime a new tutorial drops. That is all for today. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you next time.